If you're wondering how to keep projects moving when you're out of office, this quick tutorial is exactly what you need. Most people think stepping away means projects stall, but I'll show you how to keep everything running smoothly with minimal input. Stick around, because I'll also share the software I personally use after testing the most popular ones, and how you can get an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. First things first, visibility. Before stepping out, make sure your team or collaborators know exactly what's expected. This means assigning clear owners for every task. Avoid checking in later language. Use specific deadlines and outcomes instead. The key here is clarity and accountability. Next, create a simple project status doc. Don't overcomplicate it. Just one central place where everyone can see what's in progress, what's blocked, and what's next. The software we'll be using makes this easy to update and track asynchronously, so you don't need to be around to explain anything. Automate communication. Set up status updates to go out automatically, either via email summaries or inside your Project Tools chat system. With this software, I set daily or weekly check-ins that run without me. Team members just respond and everything stays on track. No micromanaging needed. Also, create a quick Loom-style video walkthrough of your expectations. You'd be surprised how effective this is. A 2-minute video where you explain context can prevent hours of confusion. Upload it directly to the software we're using or link it in the status doc. One underrated tip, pre-schedule check-in questions. Before you leave, set recurring prompts inside the software like, is this task still on track, or any blockers? This keeps momentum going without needing you to ask manually. Make sure notifications are smart, not noisy. You want alerts for real issues, not every comment. Fine-tune notification settings so that your team only tags you for urgent things. That way, you're not fully unplugged, but you're also not being pinged for every update. Now, about the software we're using. I've tried the big names: Asana, Monday.com, ClickUp, Trello, Notion. But the one I recommend balances automation, clarity, and ease of use better than the rest. You can try it yourself with the exclusive free trial link in the description, only available to my viewers. Before I wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Keeping projects moving when you're out of office is all about preparation, automation, and communication. You don't need to be constantly online. Just set up systems that handle the basics while you're away. Quick recap. Assign clear task owners, use a simple status doc, automate updates, record a walkthrough video, pre-schedule accountability check-ins, and use the right software that keeps it all moving. If you want to follow along using the exact tool I'm using, grab the free trial linked below. Again, it's only available to my viewers, so don't miss that. Thanks for watching. Now go set your systems and enjoy your time off without stress.